Good morning, faithful viewers. Here I am in a new paint shirt. Yeah, my belly's not hanging out on this one. Sorry about that. I know you enjoy that. I'm going to turn you around and have a look at this new project. New project. Kitchen island for the downstairs suite. There's the door. It's so dried out and old that when we opened the doors, they just fell on the ground and broke. We got to glue them. And then when we pulled it out of the van, the truck, it kind of pulled apart. We had to lay it on its back and glue it. But she's a thing of beauty and a joy forever. And it came with a bonus attached mirror. Look at that detailing. Look at those Birkenstocks. I just love it. What a presence. It's too tall, so we're going to cut the feet off. Down about there. Here it is with the legs shortened and the drawers repaired and shaved a bit to fit in. The drawers were a little bit big once we tightened her all up, and we had to push it together and glue those edges. And we took the legs down 3 inches. Yeah, it's quite a weathered brute. So yeah, it's the same height as the counters now. Well, we'll be putting a slab of quartz on that, but even the back's kind of interesting. You know, it's very rough and old. We like rough and old. Hubby's gonna get a little piece of wood and put it in there, a little strip. That'll give us one level surface. Yeah, so yeah, no casters, just pads. And that's beautiful. I would like that upstairs over my back door. My double door. So there it is, the island coming along. Everything fitting back together. Oh, the old girl is down again. She's got some repair work to happen in here, some reinforcement. Old girl down. Right, the repair's done. You can see we've got a bracket, a piece of wood, and a bracket. So it keeps it from pulling apart this way and this way. Great repair by hubby. And for the downstairs suite. So I've sanded because it was pretty rough. The corners were rough. Sanded, taken off the knobs. We chopped the legs short as I told you. That's the compressor upstairs on our other project. We're going to leave the back naked, so we're just going to prime it and paint it and put some knobs on that maybe match. Well, you can't see them down there, but maybe sort of this sort of color. Brushed nickel. Yeah. And then we'll put a slab of quartz on it, and the quartz will look a bit like this. This is laminate. That will be the real deal. So off I go. Hello. Through the power of, I don't know, cameras, instant replay, fast forwarding, time zones, I've been able to put a first coat of paint on this puppy. And it already looks pretty decent. Yeah, pretty dang decent. Just like magic. Done. It took bloody 4 coats if you count the primer. 4. Because I was getting a little bit of like, what do you call it? Not bleed through, but just it was just showing in these little areas. So yeah, went round again. Boring. And yesterday we had it measured for a nice big slab of quartz with speckles like this. And that'll be about a month And we'll get that on there, and then we'll come back to it, and then I'll post it to my viewers. Ta-ra! Here we go. I'm going to show you the finished product, the buffet island. Let me turn you around. You ready? There it is. Look at this top. Squared off. Overhanging. White and bright, matches the other countertops. It's a laminate. It's called Arctic Snow, I think. Arctic Ice, something like that. Looks like quartz. And same company who made this for us made these. So you can see we have a really nice match going on here. And here is the little baking cabinet, island, whatever. It's got knobs on it. Yep. Baking supplies inside. I had to sand these so things would shut smoothly because everything was so super tight. Look at that. So handy, and a great big drawer at the bottom. I'm not going to pull on that yet. But yeah, isn't it cute? And it's not your norm. It's not your everyday thing. You won't find this at your local store. Even the back looks good. You know? Even though it's slightly split here, it looks authentic and old. And it goes really well with this little number here with its little knobs and its little handles. So we're very pleased with this surface that we now have for dumping things on and cooking on and chopping. Island buffet in the basement suite.